Gonna do a checkup on my simple worm bin I did a couple weeks ago. See how those worms I added are doing. Doesn't look like any are crawling up the sides. Looks like the copper tape's working. Oh yeah, over here they came right up to it. Didn't get over it though. Cool. Let's see. That onion's growing. Now I did this to kind of prove some people wrong. You know, they say worms don't like onions. There's just tons of them underneath there. Looks like they kind of dug down when they heard me open it up. Got a worm on it. They've definitely been eating it. Oh yeah, look at that. Where's the bedding at? Let's dig here in the corner and look for the bedding. See, our bedding down underneath looks pretty clean. Ooh, I may need to mix this up a bit. That smells a bit sour. Oh, it's just the onion. No worms down in here, but you can see all the castings. Oh, there's some worms down in here actually. You see all the black castings down in the bedding. They've been traveling it, traversing a little bit. They're kind of running low on the food. I gave them that onion a week ago. Let's look at that again. Yeah, they've hollowed it out pretty good. It's kind of rotting away. It's starting to try and grow too. That's funny. I kind of just softly turn this in a little bit. Very carefully. The worms, there's some fat worms in there. All right, this bed is doing great. Put my cardboard back. Yeah, cool. It's about 2-3 weeks ago that I made this. Looks like it's doing fine.